In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost post in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a published post and turn it into a simple, effective ad that reaches more of the right people. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. Look for the official Meta result that takes you to the Business Suite dashboard. If you manage multiple pages, make sure you're in the correct account so you're working on the right page or Instagram profile. Next, log in using your Facebook or Instagram credentials. Choose the account that's connected to the page you want to promote. If you're prompted for permissions or two-factor authentication, complete those steps so you can access all tools without interruptions. Once you're in, head to the left menu and open All Tools. This expands your workspace so you can reach the features you need. From there, click Content. This is where you'll see your published posts. You can sort or filter to quickly find the one you want to promote. Make sure the post is already published and displays correctly, including any links, captions, or images. When you've found the post, click the Boost Post button next to it. This opens the Boost Setup window. Begin by setting your goal. If you want people to start a conversation with you, choose Get More Messages. If you're after likes, comments, and shares, pick Get More Engagement. If your priority is driving people to a site or form, select Get More Website Leads. Your choice here tells Meta's system what to optimize for. Now, define who should see your ad. Choose the location you want to target, set the age range and gender, and add interests that match your audience. If you already have a community, you can target people who like your page, which is great for reconnecting with existing fans. Keep your audience relevant, but not overly narrow. You'll see estimated reach on the side as you adjust. Set your budget next. You can choose a daily budget or a total budget, depending on how you prefer to control spend. Then pick the duration, the number of days the boost will run. Many advertisers start with a modest budget over several days, then adjust based on early results. Select your placements and payment. Decide if you want your ad to appear on Facebook, Instagram, or Messenger, and confirm your payment method is up to date. Finally, review your choices and click Boost Post Now at the bottom right. Your ad will go into review and typically starts running shortly after approval. That's it. You've successfully boosted a post using Meta Business Suite.